Yo! Come in.
What's going on the door?
Coming through. Hit! Grenade. Watch your back as well, mate. Yeah, I think they just cleared that. Well done, Cam. Played. Watch out, there's another one, Ed. There's another one. Watch him come across, there's another one. Pink, blue.
Contested.
Yeah, blue, 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 blue.
Push up, clear the last room.
Hit. Hey?
Just standing like this, ambiguous. Like,
I got. He's down. Well played, Dad. Coming through. Ed?
I'm dead.
Are you dead?
Dead. Dead player. Woo. Dead player.
Unless that's our team, I don't know.
Can't see shit with that smoke, right? There's a guy who's just moved up behind a tree to the left of Main.
Okay. Yep. I'm going to go wide on this one then. Alright, mate. Right, they're all at the main building, so we've got a plan here. They've just smoked.
Out of that tree.
Alright. I'm going to go wide, Jimmy.
Alright.
Alright, chap.
Smoke is so hard to see.
Yeah. Right, it's incoming big time here. Right, they're at the back of that. They're in there. There are. Watch out, incoming, mate. Incoming from that way. Don't think anyone can see eyes. I'm not sure if it's a sniper.
Hit!
Well played. Get your head down.
Stay down. So watch
I
out.
can't see that sun's a fucker.
Try and get in. Got to get into Main.
Yeah, he's at the. He's at the.
Where are we looking, boy?
The front, but the front closest window to us is shooting at us. Yeah, he's got eyes.
Is the building full of reds? Or blues?
Yeah, blues.
They're flashing in.
Just a minute. Dude, when you've done that, I'll follow you.
Right.
Watch out, is that enemy? No.
Right, ready guys?
So we're going to 3, yeah?
Yeah. Right, yeah.
You go first, 5 seconds, me, then you.
Okay, right, ready?
I'm going to cover that window, yo.
Right, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, go.
Sweet. Nice.
Oh, I don't know the meaning behind it, so it doesn't bother me.
He's down.
Yeah, I can see a whole bunch of people speaking into the mesh window thing.
Sorry, I thought you were a different player. Well played, mate. Getting cover, he's coming back out. Watch out.
Me and Stuart are in a sort of wooden shack that's attached to main building.
To the right side. Shit, watch out, we saw two. Careful, two. I know, I'm fluking getting guys here.
Oh, what they snuck round.
Do you want to go through
Are they
them?
reds, 12 o'clock?
Can't know. I don't know. I'm going to have a quick look, right, just to see. He's down. It's my favourite bit. No one knows you come down. Oh, you're kidding. He's literally there from this angle if you look out. I just stuck round, got his mate, and he didn't even see me. Oh, you bugger. I thought I was going to get killed.
Scared the crap out of it. Oh, the sun is glaring like hell.
Be professional, we'll be and watch now. What?
Just dropped the FG on the stuff. It would have been so easy to do because none of you even looked at it.
That would be mean, AJ.
The Magnum Bros, isn't it?
Hit.
Alex, you've got 3 people approaching you about 30 metres out. I can't hit them. ARs, come forwards. Riflemen, there to the left.
Then to your left flank. They're in this main building.
AR, go round the right, past that barricade.
Hit! Right, mate. Good cover, buddy. Ah. Hey? Right in the hip. Just as reloading, damn it.
There was a lot of them coming
Yeah, those shallows. Well, good cover, mate.
Cheers, buddy.
Oh, he got me. Just as reloading. The minute I look away, he's there.
I got plan. Yeah. I'm
All
on
right.
your back again. So.
Alright, Alex. Nicer, mate. More tactics. Alright, that's our team. Yo! Right, let's go. Well, going to push through then. Watch out for snipers. Keep your heads down. Heads down. Not bad range for a mod.
I'm not even going to waste ammo. Mine's you're getting in the building.
Yeah.
I ain't got range though.
Should we push forward to middle, guy?
Yeah, I reckon we're safe to be fair. Oh, yeah, a couple of
Cam!
3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah, sniper. Shit.
Dead. We made it.
Well done. Played! Hit! Good shot, buddy. Well played, he got me, I got him, seen him.
I'm on your back, dude.
Oh, no, there's a guy there, he's still there. Watch out.
He got me down. Got smoke if you need it.
Do you reckon it's really sneaky to go down there?
Once you got one.
Right, there's a sniper there, I can see a sniper.
I'm thinking about making a run for the wall, to be honest with you.
He's moving. Got him, he's down. You're clear, I'll come with you if you want.
Yeah.
Lucas, you come in? Yeah. Fuck it, let's do this.
3,
When you're ready.
2, 1.
Yeah, got him.
Is there cover around there?
No, not past me. Are you still there, Alex?
Yeah, I'm on the other side of the wall.
Okay, mate. I will hit him, I will. Oh, shit. He spotted us, we're done. Hit! Good shot. When you're ready, shield man.
That's it. He's down.
Good play. There's another one. Oh, shit. Under fire. Did it hit? I didn't feel it. Trouble is, those moments go too quick.
15 minutes this game.
How many?
50.
50, cool. Yeah, those
I
moments
just
go
put it
too
to the
quick.
camera halfway through the game, like at the end of the video.
Run, you buggers! Hey, Darren, I didn't know you could run that quick. Oh, I'm going to crash. Since when have you been able to run, you fucker? Careful on here, gents. Right, I'm going to step round you. I'm coming behind you. A little bit. My hop.
Quick.
I think we can shoot. All right, I think we can shoot through it. Oh no! Hit! Well played.
Yeah, here.
To our left. Hit! Played. Good play, mate. Ta. Yeah. Cheers, buddy. We two of ours there, look.
What we need,
Let's go.
We need to get a couple of people up against the pump, one covering
Yeah.
each side.
There's Matt there. He's up on a pump house now.
Okay, I'm going to go and join. The threat will be on your left.
Hit! Well played, gents. Ha! Good effort. What are you doing?
I'm going to go there.
Go on then, I'll cover you. Right, go. And play, lads. I'll cover your ass, Nicky. Watch out, come in a bit, mate, come in. Play!
Tree line.
Yeah, let's do
Right,
it.
cover.
All right, go on then.
Cover. Be careful there, isn't it? Yeah.
Do you want to take point? Come on, Cam.
Good shot.
Ah!
Perfect shot. Nice hit, mate. What level there?
Played! Ah, hit! Good shot.